what do we do? Grab.
Wait lang. Hindi ko, wala hindi. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. There we go.
Can you crouch?
Yeah. 13. 13. Spray? No, like spray. Ito.
It's down there. Good luck getting it.
Kumabot?
No.
Hindi mabot? Kumabot.
That's my fault, huh? Kailangan ba yan?
Oo.
Oh. Wait. Wait.
All?
Do we restart?
No.
Yes. Dito na kami sa labas.
Kunin mo yan, ah.
I can't.
Kailangan natin yan, Lens.
Kailangan.
Can't get it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there it is.
Yung mangyayari sa atin kung hindi natin nakuha yan.
I got it.
Mama?
Yes.
Asan na?
Hey. What are we doing?
We serve like excellence. Yay!
Give us your money.
So, may quota tayo na $5. Yeah.
Thought we order tayo.
What do you mean? Or
Yes.
Saan?
Pakuha ng coffee, ng baso. Lalagay dito.
Baka mabaho lang siya.
No.
Ate, linis na po. Ligo.
Here you go. I will clean you with my broom. Drink your coffee.
Nahulog
Bang.
kayo.
Oh. Nice touch. Ayan.
Yeah, put me in dock. I'm ready. I want to be a baguette. Or croissant.
Hey.
Yay! Sobra-sobra ang konta natin. Let's rest dito.
Tuloy, pwede magbato. Wait, I make my broom. Oh, what are we doing here? Oh, yung ano? Yung spray na iwan sa labas.
Okay lang yan, okay lang.
Okay. What did I do? Nothing.
Hey there.
Phone machine.
What
Well,
was?
on your first day. You're really.
AK.
I for sure thought you were one of those people that mess up the machines and break.
Wait, nasan yung pera natin? Yung 60 sa taas? Top, right?
Ito, 29.
Crazy.
Oh, you.
Oh, no.
Some guy shoved a ton of plastic cups in the oven.
Gusto mong bumili ng broom?
In the mess.
Step.
Hindi, huwag na lang, 5 na lang bilhin mo. Ito na lang ang mat.
Hey, at least you're one of us.
5?
Oh, and
Oh, 5.
while we're on that topic,
Okay.
sometimes
Ba't kulang pa pera natin?
get rowdy. Occasionally,
So, Les, ito trabaho mo.
me personally,
What?
Pambubugbog ka lang, customer.
Let's go!
something.
I'm
Kung
ready.
masama lang sila, kung masama lang.
Oh, okay.
Everyone really gets on the
Tapos tapon mo sila sa basura.
and that can really affect how long
Really?
you wait on an order. Best way to deal with it is to just whack them away. You can use the broom in the staff room to hit them. You should be able to find one on shelves. Make sure you're
Ben!
Put it down.
Ben!
And since insurance isn't included in the contract, you guys will be paying for any medical bills. Once you broom those disturbances away, the customer should be happy again. So, work on that.
Tara na, go. Wala ganun.
Now, I'm not telling you to prioritize certain customers, but we do have regulars that come.
You wanna go? Huh?
Go.
Oh. Wala pa.
Small French.
Small French?
Judging your order. Just make sure you do your best and serve them, okay? We don't want any customers now, do we?
Ikaw mag-take ng order, Steph.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Serve. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I mean like this. It's French. Large. Is that milk? Is that? I don't know what you want. 1K. Oh.
Ayun na, Lex. Yun na.
Go.
You wanna go?
Mali na gawa ko!
Ha? Tago na lang to second order. Ayan.
I'm gonna die. Is that bad? I died.
Huwag ka mamatay.
I died.
Asan siya?
Oh,
Ako yung pinapatay. Taskete.
Mabawasan pera.
Where do you-
Mabawasan pera natin. Tapos di tayo makakaabot.
where do we put these guys?
Yung basura dyan sa gilid ng radyo.
Basura. That's
Okay na ba yung one step?
Hindi pa. Wait.
Ah,
Okay.
basura ba to?
Ay, bago!
Why?
Uy!
Oh, lock. Hi guys, welcome to my Minecraft channel. Today we're opening a lucky block.
No, Lucky Blocks! Miss ko na yun!
In the first lucky block.
Remember the Lucky Block challenges, bro?
Yes. Our first
It
lucky
is!
block is a
Ah!
bazooka.
Oh, yung order!
Oh yeah, your order.
May two na ba?
Ewan ko.
Large French?
Yes, large
Wala,
French.
one to eh.
Then, ano yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Is that cookies? Oh.
Oh no! Ano yun, Stephanie?
Hindi, tatapon. Tatapon lang yan. Don't worry.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh no! Mag-aantay na naman ng milk. Chocolate.
Small French.
Ito yung third order.
Yung two muna. Okay, 3 yan. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yung two yung ginagawa ko, ha?
Ouch. This guy hurt. Trash ba to? I don't know. Where's the trash? Where are you putting? Are you an enemy? You wanna go, punk?
Yun yung 3 ah.
Gabi na. There's a mo.
Este chocolate.
I was gonna say there's a monkey. Hello, Scazzy. He wants a cinnamon roll, strawberry, cinnamon large, like strawberry cake plus strawberries, toppings, baguette with cake, then chocolate with marshmallow.
Asan yung milk dito?
Oh.
May kumuha ng milk sa inyo?
Yes, nilagay ko dito sa post.
Ito na yung
What?
4. Yan na yung 4 oh.
My bad.
5 then strawberry. Gawin nyo na yung 5.
Oh. 5.
Hay nako, Lex.
Yun.
Napagalitan ka ni manager.
Ay, ka na.
Wait, what? I don't understand.
Nagpipindot ka dito, Lex!
No. Large. Oh, meron na. Meron.
Meron na, yes.
How many can I grab?
1.
Oo nga pala. Mamaya. Yay. Tip.
Silipin mo ngayong quota natin, Chip.
Where's the quota?
Yung ano?
Here? Quota, we need $4 more. $4 more. Dollars.
Saan sa food?
Ano ba yan?
Where's the food, Stephanie?
Pang 5?
Five.
Wala pa.
Where's the food?
Silikot ko, cake. Wala, di ka pwede magtrabaho, Lex.
Matla kasi.
Tapos may ano na siya, OJT eh.
Naka-OJT ka na. Learn from your senpai.
Kaya nga, gusto ko nung ginagawa ko kay Keno. Where do you put the trash? Ito yung basura ko.
Wala na.
Diyan mo lang yan.
Ayaw ko, buddy. His name is Teddy.
Yung 12 lang yung floor mo, Les.
What?
Bilhin ako ng 5 pa. Stephanie.
No.
Bilhin ako ng 5.
His name is
Bilhin ako ng 5 step.
Body ko. Oo, sige, bili ka.
Ito na, oh.
Oh my god,
Parang manika eh.
they're kissing. Oh my god.
No, mayahi. Ito, Stephanie, oh, yung 5.
Bigyan mo kay Les. Paano yun eh?
Pipe.
Bagong weapon.
Bazooka daw. Okay.
Grade
Okay, Les.
Wala na
From 10
tayong
to
pera.
5, yung AC, tsaka yung computer, itong computer, malfunction. Kailangan natin mag-puzzle para dyan.
Okay.
Includes math. Literal math.
Okay. Where's the AC?
Dulo dito sa ilan ng danan.
Oh, okay.
What is your order, kind sir?
Dito na ako.
Mark, mama. Small bread. Milk.
Rain. Ay, wala si Rain. Ano, Chesta, pangit ba talaga si Neck Bata?
Yeah.
Really?
Unfortunate.
Okay. May iwan na ako sa kanya.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Why?
Nag-ewan yung Roblox ko.
Oh.
Oh, ayan na. Aircon please.
The heck, Namos?
So hot to. It's so hot. Sorry, guys.
So hot.
That's meron ng 1. Wag kang gumalaw, Les. Wag kang gumalaw.
Oh.
Oo nga, Les, wag kang gumalaw.
Ginawan.
Ako na. Okay. So, please.
That was my bad. The heck, may ganun pala. Taking the order. He wants Roblox
Oh.
room. Building small. Chocolate. Kiss plus egg. What the heck? Okay, could be
Kiss plus egg.
I don't know this.
One pasta, please.
Okay.
I mean, that does work.
What? Nawala yung mga basura? Oh, you put it there. Okay.
A lot.
This is number 6.
Wait, nag-Roblox ko.
Wait. Huh?
Computer? Nag-log Roblox ko. Wait.
Oh.
Stephanie, pagawa mo na.
Silly. Folk dress. Tria. Ah, sorry. Cinnamon. Drink. Small. Chocolate. Oh, bakit? How do you... Ah, okay.
I'm back.
I'm back.
Ano na, Stephanie? 3.
Yung... May mga
May 3.
Yung mga...
3 na yung nandiyan, Stephanie. Para lagyan na.
Yan.
Are you violent? Oh, okay.
Also, meron kang makikitang cat girl na purple.
Oo!
Palace.
Nadulas ako.
Makikita kang cat girl na kulay purple. Makikita mo danan.
Okay.
Tapos yung dalawang bintana dito sa harap. Nangyari yon, nakawin niya yung pera natin. Tapos kailangan mo siyang i-spray ng tubig.
Ah!
May 4 Wala pa.
Wala pa.
May order.
Yes, I would like,
You would like?
I would like one, what the heck?
Parang ikaw yung mapipili pa lang.
Stephanie, the food, please.
Oh, tumagos. Oh, lobat na mo. Man. Wala pang ano. Where are we? 4?
Yes, 4.
Yan.
Ooh.
We can do it.
Song.
Kung saan?
Spread the word.
May 5 na, Stephanie.
Everyone! Yes, yay!
What?
Yeah.
This is the first time I'm hearing this. You never told me.
Ready.
Yeah. What can I do?
I thought you were joking.
Ay, number 6.
Hey. The heck? Bigit. May ano ba? Salayin mo. Joke lang.
Sige.
May balay. Still sayang. Don't do do this. Wow!
Yun, 19 lang yung ano mo.
Ito. Ito nga na yun.
Hey there. Hey, 4, huh? Hope you guys are still going
20 ka na.
I know.
Laser pen.
Oh, never mind.
Saan?
Bumili ka ng laser pen.
Yeah, pero nasaan? Nawawala.
Ito oh.
Ayun. Last of all. Wow!
Wow!
Ah!
Oh, wait, wait.
Pag nilagay ko sa mata mo. Nangyari pag na... where's it?
I can't see! Where's the door? Help! You can't find the door.
Na yung cat.
Around the cafe, going into staff rooms and taking things. Okay. My uniform and I work.
What is this? Oh, nagtatype mo. Ang sabi? Drink called Void Mocha. Oh, open na. You...
Yung water bottle sa likod. French medium. Security guard natin.
Oh, ano yun? Tek? Ba't tayo sumabog? May nasirang base?
Tingnan mo yung pusa
Where?
Sa bintana.
Ayun.
Ayun.
What do you do?
Ayun.
Yeah, what do you do?
Spray mo ng tubig, dali.
Okay. So far na.
Dito na.
Tumatagos yung ano, galing. Tumatagos pala
Number 2.
Sorry na yan.
Tutok sa pintuan. Yan. He's naked.
Who are you?
Sir.
Account the dito.
Sir, we need you to be...
Small bread.
Yan na yung 2. Lagay ko na yung 2, Chess. Yun nga.
Free!
Same na lang.
Aircon!
Wait.
Ang init.
Sorry.
Ang init.
Are you guys dead? No, okay.
Gagoy!
Yan siya. What is this? Yan. Wala pala akong music. Nakapatay. Large cinnamon. Yeah, yes sir. I'd like to take your order. Second floor tayo.
Yes.
Akit ka dun.
There's nothing there. Oh, naiiwan yung pipe sa taas. Oops. Ayun. Yun lang. I can't grab the pipe. No. Wait. Don't do this.
Oo, nag-overflow na.
No! Nailit naman.
Wait lang.
Wait.
Guard!
Wait, bakit? Why? Ba't masama tingin mo? Oh, gabi na.
Do you have another customer?
Yan ang 5 oh.
May isa pa. What the heck, kaibigan? Si ano to? Si Dono?
Si Dono yan, si Dono.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yung friends natin, customer natin.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yun lang.
The ghost!
Ah, it's
Takbo lang, takbo!
kami.
Wait, what the heck? Steph,
Oh,
yung tawag dito? Tawag dito? Si Raphael.
Oh, kailangan na yung $6.
Meron pa isang order. And may isa pang customer. Yung pusa.
pusa!
Pusa, where?
What do we do?
May customer pala.
Oh. Stephanie!
Bruh.
What?
Stand down. Tumagos siya. Naiipit yung paa niya sa ano. Yeah, you can't get him. Furniture na siya.
Yung haba ng kamay ko.
Furniture na siya.
Gago.
Artistic furniture na siya. Oh well. Diyan na yan.
Shit! What the heck? Ang ganda.
Nang?
Yung doon, sa... Ang tawag dito? Dito sa Love and Deep Space. Nakuha ko yung parang skin ni,
What?
Yeah. Doon sa Love and Deep Space, nakuha ko yung parang skin ni Raphael. Yung, anong skin nga ba to? Teka, tinan ko nga.
Wow!
Yung parang, yung Deep Sea Riches. Yung parang ko siya, naka-black na cloak.
Purple.
Yung wait lang.
Hey, you guys made it to Friday. I'm looking at the statistics.
Maybe I tried
so
to
far.
call
You're
you
happy and you even
out
decorated the place
loud,
a little. You
but
might be qualified for the job after all. Keep it up for the rest of the week and you'll be done with the training.
try to
Anyway, about the
call
guest,
you
Pusa.
we have a little
out
problem.
loud,
You might want to hold off on opening the door.
and then
I was checking the security footage this morning, and apparently the AC has leaked a lot of water overnight.
Gana na magkaroon.
The entire first floor is now soaked. Don't worry, I got some technicians to come and fix it. They're busy today with some other project, so you'll have to deal with the wet floor for the whole shift.
No! Oh, ano to?
Call a few times, and some things went right away from them.
Guys, look.
Like
Bakit yung mouse nakakonect sa monitor?
And I also have a hard time getting to the counter, so just be patient with that.
Oh no, bakit yung machine alarm? Sana yung fog machine.
That's coffee. And yeah, that's all there is. Better not waste any
30
more
pesos
time.
lang yan. Pero.
Let's go ahead and open those doors. We have a lot of customers dying to try our coffee. Just remember not to slip and fall. See ya!
The heck is that?
Basta yung floor.
What?
Where's my pipe?
Here.
Ba't parang uwi?
Large French.
No, wala yung dulas ba't tumatalon kayo?
Wala yung dulas.
It.
Iyo.
Nalalag ako. Oh my god. Oh shit. Nadi-disconnect yung mouse ko. Kaya pa.
Nasa stuck sila sa pintuan. Oh, sorry.
Computer.
Yep, got it.
Oh!
Wait.
Uy, lumipad yung gatas. Saan napunta?
Ayun.
Excuse me. Wag gumalaw.
Galaw.
Okay.
Ito ay number 2.
Quazo, please, Quazo.
Kuwazong. Ano yung nag-ring?
Ano yun?
Two, please. Oh, wait. Okay. Large.
Naiipit talaga sila sa pinto.
Sa one to, yung sa table, it's sa flat.
Yes.
See?
Did or no, you committed murder?
It was in self-defense, sir. I was protecting my safety with a 12-gauge shot. Is that a bomb?
May 3 na?
Oo, ayun, nahulog.
Can I take a swim? Wait lang. I just take a swim. I'm allergic to the water. Yo, bakit kulay green siya?
Keki and also
Hello, you want small? Chocolate. Cloud and strawberry.
strawberry is gone. Where is the strawberry?
yung cake. Ayun yung cake.
No, oh no.
Ayun,
Ayun,
strawberry. Ayun.
Dahil, may sticky note. Hello.
Uh-oh, lagay yung 4. What? Oh, yeah, 4 talaga.
What is your medium French strawberry? Is that a lavender? Ay, hindi. Cake. With egg.
Number 4 yan.
Biscuit. Nope. Number 6.
Yes.
Oh, hindi ako. Where is my pipe? My pipe is missing. May pipe. Is it?
I-check mo ba yung pusa?
Yes. Yung pipe is nung wala.
Naglalag ako sa panipastop nung ano, yung alarm, yung milk.
Ah,
Naglalag ako.
Hello.
ito pala yung nagre-ring.
Dashi. Guys, have you seen the pipe?
May 5 na, Stephanie.
Wala pa.
The pipe is
Okay, ayun wala tawag mo. Okay.
The pipe is nowhere to be seen. I think that's why.
Baka andyan somewhere.
Oh no.
Ayun na yung 5.
It's a bunny girl. No, it's a bunny dude. Hello.
Ito na yung 6.
Discussion na.
Umiikot sila bago.
Yung 6 ah.
Ayun. Nasa likod ng...
Ito yung 7.
What's up?
Oh. What's up? Taking order. Large cinnamon. Cloud strawberry. Biscuit. Baguette. Oh wait, no. Croissant.
70s.
Hello, can I have one cheeseburger with 2 large fries?
Jollibee po kayo.
Please. 1 cheeseburger and 2 large fries. Please.
Lord.
Hindi po sa Jollibee po, sa kabilang kanto.
I hate you.
What?
Ang Jollibee. Pina ang saya. Dito tayo.
I hate you.
Uy, nakabot pa tayo kota? Nakabot tayo kota.
Okay, when do we... Are we close?
Yeah.
Hindi, meron pa isa. Ayun, no?
Yun nga.
Oh. Okay. Wow, tilo, umiikot sila. Do a twirl. Oh, never mind. Wala yun. Sayang.
Hindi pa rin siyang maalis-alis.
Oh, sabi nga, it's an artistic furniture. Yeah, okay.
41.
Hey, thanks. Ba't sa'yo 15 lang? Or 152 sa'yo?
Uy,
Oh.
What?
Breaking news.
I have news reporter news.
Earthquake? Earthquake? Hello?
Urgent news.
Earthquake?
We have received an earthquake warning that will affect various populated locations. The most notable being the Library Cafe, a famous spot known to open even during extreme conditions. The government advises all citizens to stay indoors until further announcement. The government is also attempting to contact the staff running the Library Cafe, advising them to close down the establishment for the day.
hindi pwede.
However, they have yet to
Hindi
receive
pwede.
a response. We
Hindi pwede tayo mag-close.
order new food currently at the Library Cafe for 4 and so hours. News reporter news. I am sure
Bakit parang siya nagsasalita ng paiko?
the earthquake is the strongest. Scientists predict the magnitude of the earthquake here is strong enough to
Ano yun?
equal to the age.
Uy, ako yun.
Uy, gago.
And bob my head.
Hey, you guys did great on Friday. Great job. Now, as you've noticed, you guys will have to also do a weekend shift if you want to complete your training. It's
What?
Wala to Stephanie kasi nag-revive tayo eh.
It's important for our staff to be reliable even on the most busiest of days.
Namatay kayo?
I'm sure you heard the news about the earthquake
No.
or whatever. Holdings were
time.
exaggerate their story. Always trying to get a viral story. Listen, you don't have to worry about a thing. The cafe structure is really strong. It won't be damaged no matter how much it shakes. I mean, you might have some items flying all over the place here and there.
Oh, yun lang. Lilipat yung mga items.
Put them back. No problem. So, today's gonna be a little bumpy. I'm sure you guys will handle it slowly. And, if you get any
How do you do that?
unknown people,
What?
make sure not to read them.
Ano yun?
Confidential emails. Yeah, they're really secret. I'd have to silence you.
I see.
So, just keep that in mind. Good luck.
Huwag niyo basahin yung emails, ha?
Basahin yung emails?
Okay. Reverse psychology. Oh, yun. Nangihilig na.
Can I shake it in? What would you want? What do you need?
Large French, please.
Please?
Onegaishimasu.
Oh, here we go.
Ayan na ang art kaki.
Going.
Gago.
It's not that bad. Where did the pointer go? Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's a top.
Wow.
Everything is... Why?
Pwede ba take the order na to? Thanks.
Natakot ka.
No, it's funny.
Oh. Ayan na ang art kaki.
Parang tayo
Oh shit, yung mga baso. Yung mga baso. Oh, yung computer, Les, yung computer.
Oh, what happened? We good.
Oh my legend.
Oh, yung kape.
Yo! We need to rewash the glasses. There's too many.
Oh, galaw.
What a shake. I just put them away. What the heck?
Strawberry! Napalita si mo yung strawberry!
Huh?
Asa yung tree?
23.
Tree is chocolate.
Matik order.
Go.
Grabe, ang ganda naman ng nasa leg.
Ako na mag-earth ko eh.
Asa yung chocolate?
In the bin.
Nahulog. Ayan o.
Earthquake ulit.
Pero just...
After
Si
chocolate.
Les. Oh, si Les.
No, that's not me. That's not me, is it? Ba't may tawa?
Oh, pusa. Ayun, sa stairs. Ano ba to?
Yeah. Gosh, wala.
4 yan.
4 yan ah. Oo.
Madudumi na yung baso natin. Tatapon na natin.
Also, please.
Maybe I try to call you offline. Bad habit.
I use a village.
What?
Pinatay ko sana yung ano. I was a village.
I was a girl in the village doing alright.
Alright, right, girl, I'm doing right. So much to learn and see.
Up in the castle,
Guard!
new family. Ha? Ano meron? Oh.
Oy!
Wait, nasa yung pipe? Wait. Nasaan na? Ayun. Patay na? Tingin sila natin. Nasaan yung pipe ko? Yung pipe ko nawawala. Where is he? Go, pump.
Oh no! Sino yung maagang kumuha nun?
Ayan na yung 6. Ayan na yung topics. Sorry, nag-ano ako eh.
Where's that?
Oh, yun, go!
Where? Oh, yeah.
Ah,
That is not me. It passes through walls. Nasa na ang aking pipe.
Lagay mo yung toppings niya.
It's a mess.
Number
It's a
6.
mess.
Oh.
Milk. You need milk.
Asan na yung milk?
Here.
Here, please. Here.
Oh. Hey.
Daming baso. Ah!
Makulang pa yan.
Oh shit, maling order.
Ang galing.
Oh! Excuse me. Ito mo. Okay, yan,
Happy
guys.
to return.
Damn. Tayo, may nasusunog.
Okay, saan?
Sunog!
Yeah.
Oh!
Water!
It's not doing anything.
Wala tayong fire extinguisher.
Oh. What do we do then?
Ah! Nasasaktan tayo.
Oh, wala na. Yay.
Ang kalat naman.
Earthquake. Isang araw ng pag-earthquake.
Not even that bad. Ah, iyaw ko na. Ano ba dyan?
Oh!
Let's look.
Which? Yeah, how?
Jingle.
How? Wala akong spray. Adieu.
Breaking news!
Good morning. I have news reporter news. We interrupt this program to report the sudden closure of the Hybrid Cafe. The Hybrid Cafe, known to never close down, even in the most extreme circumstances, is announcing that the establishment
Upgrade. I see.
wasn't clearly stated and citizens speculated as due to the damage from the earthquake. However, fans have pointed out that the Hybrid Cafe has experienced countless earthquakes in its lifetime and have never considered closing the establishment. Nevertheless, citizens are saddened by the announcement. While some are speculating something sinister is happening in the Hybrid Cafe, either way, we can all agree that the future isn't something to see every day. Now, back to the program.
Ay! Napatay ko. Pag napatay ko pa sa akin, napatay din sa inyo or na.
I guess, depende ko ilang player.
Ano?
What are you guys doing?
Void zombies?
Yeah?
No?
May nakita ko kanina eh. Kulay-kulay yung katawan. Hindi ako sa one of them.
Oh shit, grabe.
Oh. Grabe.
Guys, napatay ko yung TV, hindi ko alam.
Upgrades. Wala, upgrades na tayo.
You raise me up.
I think order computer speed or AC.
Scoop.
Computer speed or yung foam. Ay, hindi tayo. Huwag yung alarm. Computer speed, AC strength. Or lucky cut.
Lucky cut na lang.
Be good.
To fly. Wow!
The cat!
Lucky
So cute!
Oh! Oh, yung laser point!
Yung portal.
Nasaan?
Oh, shit!
Portal.
Grab! Ah! Paano yun? Nanakawan tayo. Uy, yun. Grab. F, please.
Hello.
Yung mga gamit, lagay nyo dito sa loob ng staff. Mas madali ako.
Hindi ko mag-grab.
Yung? Ba't nasira to?
Computer speed.
Computer.
No!
Nice. Wala na. Oh, ghost.
Oh, ghost!
Ina-appreciate.
Nahabol ako!
Wala na. Tara. Kala ko butterfly. Yo, like. You won't be your French.
It was a good. Oh, the chocolate!
I got it.
The chocolate!
Saan talalagay?
Here. Naglag ako.
Or sa kabila? Sa kabila nga.
Sa creams.
Para saan tong milk?
That?
Hindi. What is that?
Is the donut good?
Shimay.
Wait lang, kailangan kasi dulo siya eh.
May cut. Yun.
Nasa staff room.
Oh no, wala na tayong pera!
No, nasa ayun.
Sa staff room.
No!
Gago!
Nanakawan na dati.
Holy shit!
Oh! No!
Lumipad yung mga ano eh.
Putang.
Nagalugot tayo. Lumipad!
Sorry. Where did it go?
Wala na tayong kagawa.
Nasaan yung ano? Nawala yung spray.
Wala gagalaw.
Nahanap ko na yung spray.
Is that too, good? No.
Number 4 to.
What is this? Ba't may donut dito?
Isa pang Stephanie, cone.
Okay.
Ha? Ano ba yan? Number 3?
3.
Okay, sir. What do you want? Look at this mug fly.
Oh, the milk!
Ha?
Stephanie, okay na yung koso.
Saan nalagay ito milk? Hindi pala yun yun.
Diyan.
Kape ko. Yung kape ko. Ayun. Number na yan.
4 yun. Ito 5.
Ito yung 5.
Cake please.
Ayun.
Is the cake good?
Wait lang. Wait lang, we're good.
Cake please.
Shit, di pwede yan.
Ito yung boss.
Lumipad yung cake!
Wait, saan?
Oh shit, ito na tayo sa pancake. Ito sa pancake.
Oh.
Aircon.
O yung AC.
5 yan na 5. Cone and costo please.
6. Cupcake.
Yes. Six good. Can you 6? Okay. 7. Ito.
Lumipad yung cupcake! Lumipad na!
No!
Tingnan natin. Pagalitan tayo.
Okay yung
Oh, shit,
6
lumipad na naman!
naman.
Lumipad na naman! Sorry, ewan ko nga yung... Down. Croissant! Yung croissant!
Here's the croissant. Here's the croissant.
Alis yung cake.
Yung cupcake. Yung croissant, saan? Oh, shit.
Wag yung ipatama sa ano.
Wait. Lumilipad na ba yung cake?
Hindi kasama yung cake.
Okay.
Ang ina.
Wag.
So, naiirin.
No.
Okay na.
Ito yung 7. 2 donut. Wag mo ipatama sa
ko.
Oh, may bagit dito.
7 is good. Alam ko may chocolate akong inano dito eh. Saan kaya napunta yun? Chocolate. No chocolate.
Nalumilipat?
Yeah.
Wala, yung upuan lang.
Kulang tayo sa kota.
Oh,
Easy.
no.
This one.
Kulang tayo.
Yeah, patay tayo.
Wait, may isa pa ba?
Wala na. Oh, no.
Last day na saan?
Oh, why are we coach ka na?
May 5 naman. Pasok ko step. Yes.
Oh. Wait. Oh.
May revive naman isa. Tag isa.
Hey there. Seems like you guys made a mistake yesterday, huh? Oh well. Everyone makes mistakes, right? Hey.
Gamitin mo ngayon 7.
Wala nang bala.
Wala na nga.
You wanna go? Oh, okay, I'm dead.
Walang maglilib.
Wala.
Ano height niya dito?
5.
5.
Oh. Oh, wow.
May game na ice na.
Meron. Hello.
Yay!
Sila nagpindot siguro.
Hi.
Hey! Seems like you guys made it through training week. I mean, it's not like I expected you to fail. You guys did really well yesterday. Even with those interesting customers. You guys managed to rack up a net profit. So congratulations! I'm really proud of you.
Gusto nyo ba bumili ng amo?
Anyway, now that you guys are full-time racers, I've got nothing else to do. In fact, you could probably keep
Amo?
Ha? Para saan?
Corporate actually has
Wait. Huwag muna.
they're promoting you to permanent baristas.
Yeah.
Yay!
Permanent.
You're
24/7.
Nag-shop ko.
I'm gonna
Day off.
do it.
You know, only one other person had this position before. She caught me for my training.
No. 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 I'm useless now.
Go ahead and open the cafe.
Amo? Hindi muna.
Sige, paano na trip mo?
Pero sa akin, wala naman ba? Wala naman ba rin? Oh, next turn.
Okay, let's go! 24/7!
Yippee! Ilan ba kota natin? 8 pa rin kota natin.
108. Oh.
80?
Our people.
Medium building.
Wait, what the heck is that? Oh, it's the chair. God.
Oh, shit.
Why?
Nadulas ako.
Aircon!
Oh shit.
Walang gagalaw.
Di ka na. Wow! It's Kakashi. Or mas kamukha niya si Sonic. Ay, hindi, Silver pala. French.
One time lang pala yung free revive.
Oh,
Bago pa lang. Bali si Les na lang ata yung free revive.
No, pindot.
Yun nga.
Meron na pala.
Pero naglagay ako eh.
Wala akong sinabi.
Automatic na yan.
Ba't kasi namatay?
No. Computer.
Oh shit. Got it. I think I see you. Yes. Wait, nasan yung pipe ko? Ew. Give me... Oh. Can I get one?
Yay.
You sir, did you pay? You. Oh.
Strawberry.
Whatever.
Oh, shit.
Lata.
The cat.
I know. Got it. Ang ganda naman ng spray nito. Matagos. Pader. Ghost walls! Ayaw niya talaga. Sir, can you get out of the wall? Floor, please. Stop, no clipping to the floor. Wala na. Nandito na ako.
French.
Sir, a bit hot today, and it's sir. Let me just cool you off. Oh, may kalaban. Sir, would you like to speak to the manager called? His name is Pipe. Good talk. Where's the spray? Oh, kinuha ko. May spray ko. May spring bottle.
Posa, 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 posa.
Yeah. Not going away. Are you happy today, man? Here you go. This is local moisturizer. Tap water.
Okay, tayo sa phone natin.
Tapos na quota. Wow!
Okay.
Wow. So, pag nagkamali pa ng isang beses, wala na. We're done.
Oo, ganun.
Damn. Oh, it's a cat girl. Niemi!
Stinky. Stinky. Stinky.
Oh!
Stinky.
Nagkabalay.
Stink a little, baby.
Will you come with us? Sir, come with us, sir. No! Bang, 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 bang. 69.
69.
Nice.
What do we buy?
Nandog.
Cat bomb.
Weapon. Oh, nasa pala. Wow. I don't know. Decoration.
Oh, this is like the decorations.
Nasa close
I-
to decoration.
Yung extinguisher, oh.
Oh, it's a weapon. Water gun, gas gun. Saan yung extinguisher?
Decor.
Decoration. Bilhin ko, ah.
Ah, okay, go. Wait lang.
Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Hindi mo yan nabas.
Kami ano, kaya itong tawag dito.
Hindi ba ng water gun?
Sige, sige, sige. Water gun mo si Les.
What did that do?
Sakat, siguro.
Put your hands up. I don't know the range. May recoil yung fire extinguisher.
Oh, you are recoil, yeah.
What?
Oh,
Can I try?
ilang. Wow!
Inopen yun na, naglalag ako.
Oh, sorry. Right. We need time to reach this done. Whee! Oh, may limit. There's no limit. Yung limit is yung bumbong. Oh. Oh no, no. Excuse you. Where's the cat? The cat oh. What is it? Oh.
Mainit.
Boy, beauty.
Ano naman?
Hey, look, I can.
Oh!
Les! Ah!
Tatakbo ako eh. We lost $10.
Oh no.
Wait, Les, do si Letla.
Huh?
Tignan mo dito sa computer.
Oh, that's me. Other account. Oh, it's Arnie.
Oh!
Yo! This is my buddy. Yan yung kasama ko mag-jogging bukas.
Okay na yung one. Oh, okay. So yung two. Speed.
Hey,
Ah, yung cat.
got it. Get your knife.
Ito think endless na to.
This is endless?
Endless na.
I'm looking for the skies.
Number 2. Order number 2, please. Or whoever you want. Strawberry.
Kumukha. May kumukha. Oh, okay. Ikaw ba to? Ice cream.
Ano, name?
Daniel Lobroga.
Yun.
Yo,
4 na.
tulog na to eh.
Meron na.
Dapat tulog na rin ako.
Wala pa.
Wow.
Ah. IT
Oh,
guys.
sorry.
There, please.
Literal IT na talaga.
I got this. This.
Trabaho.
I push cats on my computer to fix my bugs. No, catch. What the heck is that? What the hell is that? Look at that.
It's a customer.
That's a homunculus. Nasaan yung chair? I'm sitting on the... Oh, never mind. No!
Oh,
Magpapalaw.
Kahit mag-turn, bawal.
I think.
I wanna sit. Dang it. Lang. Sorry guys, can't work today. Make a day down. Oh, what's wrong?
May chance na hindi tayo mabot ang quota.
No. That guy's rich, don't worry. Right, babe? Oh, wala na. Hey!
Yay!
Umabot. Gibo. He's rich.
What if? Yung gagawin ko eh.
Ciao. Bang! Ay, ulit. Bang! Wow, wait.
Okay, that's my last game na. Alis na ako.
Nasave ba
Kasi
to?
endless na.
Great.
Okay guys, bye-bye.
GG.
Endless na kasi. Wala na yung mat.
Okay. Wala na pero.
80 pesos.
No, di mo. No.
Why?
Hey, Inidoro.
Where's my ammo? Hello.
Inidoro. Inidoro!
Wow, look at this. Oh, wala na ba?
Yes.
Yo.
You need all the date.
Don't use that here. Bakit ako nahulog? Help. What are you guys doing? Open doors. I wanna be free.
Dali. Dali, kasi ka open mo yung pinto.
Hindi ako kasha?
Yeah.
Nakahawakan niyo ba yung ano? Yung toilet?
Hindi. Hindi ka talaga kasi sa pinto kanina.
Oh, perfect. No, not the toilet. Please.
Dapat dito sa labas.
Bye. See you. Oh, what? Oh, tinutulak ng extinguisher yung ano. Okay. That's why.
Huwag ka lang
Sayonara. I'm in the ocean.
Saka na.
Yung toilet nasa tubig.
Wala, yung AC.
Oh no. Hindi ko makuha.
Ano? Yung toilet natin. Gago. Wow!
Bye. Got you.
Bye-bye.
Salamat sa bibig. Oh, patay din ako.
Patay din ako.
Ay. Oh, look, a ghost.
You
Stab it. I can fix that. I can fix this. Nope. 26. It's hot. It's too hot. Help. This is not a corner.
Aba mo yung toilet?
No. It's not the toilet. A corner means family. Means nothing beats the
Saving the toilet. Toilet.
50 pounds off per person.
Yes.
That's not
Yeah!
Oh.
Nabalik yung toilet.
Oh.
Ay, hindi namatay. Holy shit, Les, ikaw to.
No.
Eh, you know, Office IT, RIP. Kasi yung IT na kami.
Saan?
Dito sa likod. Coconut nut.
Is not. What is this?
What?
Sa likod nga. Wala kang sana.
Right side. Nasa ka?
Hindi naman to likod eh.
Na lines? Let me just get your orders there.
Wow.
Okay, tinatayog niya pa pala order niya, kaya napakabagal.
Oh my god, Starbucks a loyal customer today.
Oh no, nasaan yung toilet?
Andiyan na.
Here!
Ay, kanina.
Did throw away.
Ay, oo! Ito sa tubig, oh.
Nakamatay yung tubig.
Ayan.
Oh. Nawala yung...
Naka-island lang pala tayo.
Nawala yung ano ko. Yung hawak ko kanina.
Nice pa extinguisher mo.
No, I got this. I'll fly. You will see me fly today. I will make it happen. Whoa.
Sis guys, alis na ako. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, lilipad ako.
Wala na ako eh.
Oh. Shame.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ah. My God, gising pa ako ng 4. Shit.
Let us go now.